Hi friends, and my name is Nagesh Tompe, and today's video topic is conditional statements in Java. The conditional statements in Java in our programs have so far been linear. In other words, the programs have executed from top to bottom without the major surprises or conditional behaviors. However, we usually want to add conditional logic to our programs. By this we mean functionality that's in one way or another dependent on the state of the program's variables. To branch the execution of program based on user input, for example, we need to use something known as a conditional statements. The simplest conditional statement looks something like if and blocks. A conditional statement begins with the keyword if followed by the parenthesis. An expression is placed inside the parenthesis which is evaluated when the conditional statement is reached. The result of evaluation is a boolean value. No evaluation occurred above. Instead of a boolean value was explicitly used in the conditional statements. The parentheses are followed by a block which is defined inside opening and closing curly braces. The source code inside the block is executed if the if expression inside the parenthesis evaluates to true. If the expression in the conditional statement evaluates true, the execution of the program progresses to the block defined by the conditional statements. In the example above, the conditional is if the number in the variable is greater than 10. On the other hand, if the expression evaluates to false, the execution moves on to the statement after the closing curly brackets of the current conditional statement. In a conditional statement, the code indentation and block statements are important. A code block refers the next point is else. If the expression inside the parenthesis of the conditional statements evaluates to false, then the execution of the code moves to the statement following the closing curly brackets of the current conditional statement. This is not always desired, and usually we want to create an alternative option for when conditional expression evaluates to false. This can be done with the help of else command. The next point is if an else branch has been specified for a conditional statement, the block defined by the else branch is run. In case that the condition of this conditional statement is false, then the else command is placed on the same lines as the closing brackets of the block defined by the if command. Thank you, friends.